Up Moonriver holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good about Moonriver. Guys, first of all, I want congratulations to all Moonriver holders because uh, in a Moonriver the changes is going very good. I really love these kind of changes about the Moonriver. I really love unbelievable positive changes. But guys, you have to learn because Moonriver is a high price coin. You can see the price of Moonriver is about 431 USD dollar. 3431 USD dollar is the right now price of Moonriver in the market, guys. So now guys, alert in the market. Sometime price jump, sometime price pump, but we have to take a decision very carefully, guys. Now guys, if you're new in my channel, so please I recommend for you to subscribe my channel for more updates about cryptocurrencies market. And you know what guys, update is very important for all of you guys. Let me show you the more. From a price chart, that's clear that Moonriver is a positive cryptocurrency and absolutely a lot of people are getting a huge profit. A huge profit from a Moonriver because they invest a huge amount. Absolutely, when you invest a huge amount, so absolutely you get a huge profit. Just look here, the pricing is positive. In other side, you can see here a lot of people are investing in a Moonriver. The trading volume in the last 24 hours is about 33.85% increase. That's mean that it is a profitable. That's why a lot of people are investing in a Moonriver. I also recommend for you to invest now in a Moonriver if you have a money. 45.60% market cap increase in 24 hours. Guys, the changes going in a Moonriver is absolutely going very good. On the basis of these changes, I recommend for you to invest in a Moonriver. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.